1. Which feature in Word allows you to create a list with a hierarchical structure? A. Mail merge. B. Table of contents. C. Multilevel list. D. Smart art. 2. What happens when you press Ctrl plus Shift plus in Word? A. Reduces the font size. B. Applies superscript. C. Increases the font size. D. Indents the paragraph. 3. In the mail merge process, which file contains the data such as names and addresses? A. Merge template. B. Main document. C. Data source. D. Recipient list. 4. Which tab would you use to insert a page number in Word? A. Insert. B. Home. C. Layout. D. Design. 5. What is the purpose of the Track Changes feature? A. Protects the document with a password. B. Shows all modifications made to the document. C. Highlights grammar errors. D. Encrypts the content. 6. What is the default file extension for an Excel workbook? A. .xls. B. .xlsx. C. .xlsm. D. .xlsb. 7. Which function would you use to calculate the number of non-empty cells in a range? A. Count blank. B. Counta. C. Count. D. Countif. 8. How can you prevent others from editing cells in an Excel worksheet? A. Hide the cells. B. Apply conditional formatting. C. Use data validation. D. Protect the sheet. 9. What does the VLOOKUP function require as its fourth argument? A. Column index. B. Table array. C. Range lookup true or false. D. Lookup value. 10. Which chart type is best for showing trends over time? A. Pie chart. B. Line chart. C. Column chart. D. Scatter chart. 11. What Excel feature allows you to create dynamic drop-down lists? A. Pivot table. B. Data validation. C. Macro. D. Conditional formatting. 12. Which tab provides the Remove Duplicates option? A. File. B. Insert. C. Data. D. Review. 13. What does the Slide Master View allow you to do? A. Add animations. B. Customize the layout and design for all slides. C. Preview transitions. D. Edit individual slides. 14. Which feature allows you to animate bullet points one at a time? A. Slide transition. B. Custom animation. C. Animation pane. D. Motion paths. 15. What does the Rehearse Timings feature help with? A. Creating transitions. B. Practicing presentation delivery. C. Adding animations. D. Changing slide layouts. 16. What file extension is used for a PowerPoint show? A. .pptx. B. .ppsx. C. .pox. D. .ppt. 17. How can you group multiple objects together in PowerPoint? A. Press Ctrl plus A. B. Use the Arrange Group option. C. Use the Merge Shapes tool. D. Right-click and select Combine. 18. Which folder stores send emails by default? A. Inbox. B. Outbox. C. Drafts. D. Sent items. 19. What does the Recall This Message feature attempt to do? A. Moves the email to the junk folder. B. Deletes the message from the recipient's inbox. C. Edits the message in sent items. D. Sends a follow-up reminder. 20. What is the purpose of Outlook's Rules feature? A. Archive old messages. B. Automate email organization. C. Create calendar events. D. Set out-of-office replies. 21. Which tab allows you to manage calendar events? A. File. B. View. C. Calendar. D. Home. 22. What can you do using the cleanup feature in Outlook? A. Compress large attachments. B. Remove redundant email threads. C. Delete all messages in a folder. D. Flag important emails. 23. Which object in Access is used to store data? A. Query. B. Form. C. Report. D. Table. 24. What is a primary key used for? A. Formatting data. B. Speeding up reports. C. Uniquely identifying records. D. Creating relationships. 25. Which type of query is used to retrieve data from one or more tables? A. Make table. B. Select. C. Append. D. Crosstab. Microsoft Office Specialist MOS certification. The Microsoft Office Specialist MOS certification test is an industry-recognized credential that validates an individual's proficiency in Microsoft Office applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Access. This certification demonstrates the ability to effectively use key Office features, including document formatting, data analysis, presentations, email management, and database handling. The MOS exam is performance-based, requiring users to complete tasks and projects in real-world scenarios. It is suitable for students, professionals, and anyone seeking to enhance their resume and career prospects by proving their digital literacy and productivity skills. Each exam focuses on a specific Office application and version, including Microsoft 365 and Office 2019. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. Career advancement. Earning a MOS certification enhances a resume and increases job prospects by validating essential Office skills employers seek. 2. Productivity boost. Certified users work more efficiently with Office applications, completing tasks faster and more accurately using advanced features. 3. Academic and professional credibility. The certification provides recognition of technical proficiency, helping students earn academic credits or stand out in competitive internships and job markets. 4. Global recognition. The MOS certification is internationally recognized, making it valuable for those seeking work or education opportunities abroad. 5. Confidence building. Certification helps users gain confidence in using Office tools effectively, which translates into improved performance in school or the workplace.